Welcome to the Aura TV Backlight Setup Guide. Once your setup is complete, we will take your TV from this to this. In the box, you will find a controller unit, a light strip, power supply, cleaning wipes, and 2 sets of clips for your light strip. Start by cleaning the back of your TV. Dust is your enemy as it will prevent the light strip from sticking well to the back of your TV. Next, measure the light strip against your TV without removing the adhesive. Measure twice, stick once. Once you are ready, remove the adhesive from the light strip and attach the light strip to your TV. Depending on your TV size, you might need to bend and stick the light strip in order to make sure it stays within the borders of the TV. This will make sure we have a clean setup. Add the clips to your light strip to make sure that it holds the light strip firm against your TV. Make sure to measure each side of the TV. You'll notice there's 2 sets of clips. One is for the light strip, the other is for the cable. Use a cable clip to attach the cable behind the TV. Repeat the same steps for each side of the light strip. And we're done with the light strip. Look at that setup. Cable management done right. Next, we'll go ahead and set up the controller unit on the top of the TV. Make sure to remove the protector from the lens. The controller unit should sit flush against the border of your TV. Connect the cables from the controller unit to the light strip and to the power supply. Now, let's bring your TV to life. Start by pressing the plus button on the top right corner of the app. Click Add Device. Enable the location and Bluetooth settings to the app. The Aura app needs location and Bluetooth permissions to connect your device to Wi-Fi. Now, your device has been set up successfully. The calibration step is very important. This will make sure that the light strip syncs properly to your TV. The app will display 8 numbered dots that need to be aligned to the edges of your TV. And just like that, you have successfully set up your Aura TV backlight. Get ready for an epic TV viewing experience. Enjoy!